Hi friends, hope you are enjoying our Pandas series of tutorials. Previously we have learned how to manage the missing data and now we'll learn how we'll handle the duplicate data, duplicate rows, how to retain it or how to delete it. All this we'll learn. Before that, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we frequently do that also. Let's move and learn how to manage the duplicate data. We are in our Colab platform. Here we will create the data frame. For that I will just paste the dictionary here. So this is key and values are there. Now let me create the data frame. So df my data frame pd dot data frame. Now inside that I am connecting data is taken from my dict. My dict is the just above. I have pressed it line number 2. So that data I am using. Now let me just print the data frame. So let's run this. And you can see the output is here. Here we have two rows with duplicate rows, means duplicate data. So these two are the duplicate. The sixth one, the last row. So let me just show. This is the sixth one is the duplicate of 1. So this one here, and we will see the fifth one is the duplicate also of 3. So fifth one is this one is the duplicate of here. Let's first understand the parameter keep. So with that we'll able to define which one to keep and which one to delete. So by using the first, we can delete the duplicate rows except the first occurrence. Similarly, the last occurrence we can keep. False means everything will delete. So for that, let's just try our code like this. Df equal to, now we'll say df dot drop duplicate. Now here keep equal to first. So keep the first one, rest of the things you delete. So we are creating another data frame df, we are giving the name. So we can print the df. So let's run this and see. Df drop data drop duplicate. Yes, I missed. Let's run this. Yeah, you can see the last two are removed. So up to this last two, because these two we have declared that these two are the duplicates, so they are removed now. So now let's just copy this code. Now add one more code block here. Okay, this time let's run this and create the same data frame, because two rows are got deleted already. Now let's keep the last, and the previous ones will be removed. You can see here 5 and 6, what was not there here at the end. Now those two are kept and previous ones are deleted. Now let's again copy this. Paste it here. Now here I am saying it is false. Now let's run this one. So our data frame is freshly created. Now let's run this. You can see all duplicates are removed. Even if one occurrence or two, both first occurrence and the last occurrence all are removed, and only the unique rows were retained. Now let's use inplace. So we'll run this once. So you have seen in all cases we are writing df equal to df, means our out of the whatever we get the output, that we are reassigning to data frame again. So for that, that means our source data frame is not getting disturbed. So for that, let's just recreate. We have created it again. Now keep false. Here we'll say we will not assign it to another data frame. Now let's print this, and here we'll say in place, means the source data frame by default this value is false. So we are telling true means change the source data frame. So now let's just print it. We should get the same result. Yeah. So because now the source data frame is changed, here we have assigning it to another data frame, and that we are printing because of this default value in place is false. Source was not getting changed. So far we have used all the column data to identify the duplicate rows. So now what we will do, we'll specify what are the columns to be used to identify the duplicates. So let's come here. Now we'll say in this case, now df equal to, or I can use in place equal to 2. So df dot drop duplicates. Now inside this, what I am going to do is I will declare a subset. Subset is what are the columns I want to be used to identify the duplicates that I can specify. So I am saying that class 1 column, then use another column as mark, then one more, go for gender. These 3 columns you use to identify. Anyway, I have assigned the df equal to, so I know I'm not putting it in place equal to 2. Now print df. So in this case, only these 3 columns will be used to identify the duplicate data. Here it is. Now, otherwise what would have happened is we would have, here you can see the duplicates. There are more rows were deleted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were there. Now you can see the 5th one is not there because only 3 columns are used to arrive at the duplicate rows. You must have seen here the original index is retained 1, 3, 5. Suppose you don't want that, we want that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 incremental index to be used. So for that we can say, let me just copy this, keep one more code block here, and subset I am removing, or I can keep it also. Now I am saying that ignore index equal to, by default it is false, so I am saying true. So now let's run this. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that the index is changed. That's all friends. Hope you have understood the concept of managing the duplicate data. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we frequently do that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.